we're going to figure out the shape for CO2 according to vsepr theory. To do that, we're going to start out with the Lewis structure for our carbon dioxide. And then we're going to figure out the steric number and the lone pair surrounding our central atom, which is carbon. We have 2 double bonds surrounding carbon and no lone pair. Keep in mind that single, double, triple, lone pair, they're all counted as one steric number. So since we have 2 double bonds, that means our steric number would be 2. And we don't have any lone pair surrounding carbon, so we have 0 lone pair. So steric number 2 and 0 lone pair, if we refer to the table on the right hand side, that's going to give us linear shape. That is the geometry for CO2. Here are the 2 videos that I've handpicked for you. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with someone. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot to me.